Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rhea and our topic for today is about angle of elevation. So how are we going to solve problems related to angle of elevation? So we have an example here. A ladder is leaning against a wall forming a right triangle with the ground. The base of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall and the ladder makes a 60-degree angle with the ground. So first thing that you're going to do is we will try to create the illustration based from the given problem. So we have, for example, that is our wall, and we have a ladder that is leaning to it, and then from the given problem we have here the base. So this is the distance. So we have here the base of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall, meaning from the base of the ladder to the wall that is 6 meters. And then we also have the ladder makes 60-degree angle with the ground. So meaning this one that measures 60 degrees. So the question here is there are many questions na pwede na to create out from that given problem. So let's start with this one. How far is the ladder from the wall? Of course, from these questions, we don't need to have a solution since it is already provided in the problem that the base of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall, meaning the distance from the ladder to the wall is 6 meters. Next, the second question is, calculate the length of the ladder needed to reach the top of the wall. So which means, the question here is the length of the ladder. If you are going to consider our illustration, this is an example of a right triangle wherein the wall is our altitude and then with the ground that is the perpendicular lines. So we have, how are we going to solve for the length of the ladder? So I try to represent it with x. And making use of the condition cosine 60 degrees is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now, why did I use cosine 60? Take note, from the given illustration, the length of the adjacent side to 60 degrees is provided and the unknown is the hypotenuse. And if we are going to remember the 6 trigonometric ratios, it's the cosine and the secant that involves the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So we are just going to have the common. Kumingon tag common meaning katong tulo ka main trigonometric ratio, si sine, si cosine, ug si tangent. So I try to make use of cosine. Cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. And from the special angles, I have a discussion on this one on one of my videos, the special angles. Cosine 60 is equal to 1/2, which means this expression is equal to 1/2 is equal to 6 meters because the adjacent side is 6 meters over the hypotenuse, which is x. And then we will try to cross multiply, that is 1 times x, that is x, and 2 times 6, that is 12. And we were now able to get the value of x, which is 12, meaning 12 meters is the length of the ladder. Next question is, we have this one. How high is the wall? Meaning, if we are going to consider the concept of the reference angle 60 degrees, the wall refers to the opposite side. So let us try to represent it with y. So the opposite side and one of the given is the adjacent. So remember, or we are going again to consider a particular trigonometric ratio that talks about the opposite side and the adjacent side, and it is the tangent. Tangent 60 degrees is equal to opposite over the adjacent. And again, the value of the trigonometric ratios of the special angle, so tangent 60, that is square root of 3. And then opposite is the wall, which is represented by y, and then the adjacent is 6 meters. And then cross multiply the expression, we will now be able to get the value of y, which is 6 square root of 3. Because 6 times square root of 3 is 6 square root of 3. And since y is the representation of the length or the altitude of the wall, meaning the length of the or the height of the wall is 6 square root of 3 meters. Next is we have, when you are going to try to reflect on the scenario, how are we going to explore the significance of applying the concept of trigonometric ratios in the field of architecture? So take note, when we are talking about architecture, we're going to draw and make a representation out of whatever is the structure that they are going to create. But of course, in their drawing, ego raman na sila mo represent. They cannot give the actual value, which means, okay, the concept of trigonometric ratios plays a very important role to all architects since it helps them in computing the proper measurement needed in a particular structure or building. Okay, so I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye-bye!